Girls get horny faster than boys and also want to have sex with any boy. But for making a girl ready for sex, you need to know some facts about girls. Last few facts would be the most important, so do watch the video till the end and also subscribe our channel. A girl loves her breasts getting messaged by her man. So message her boobs and don't forget to make good use of your tongue to tease her boobs and pussy. If you want to satisfy a woman in bed, then learn to master dirty talking. However, don't go over the top with your description. Instead, talk to her about what you like about her. You might have mastered the art of penetration, but if you want to be the king in sex, then we suggest using sex toys, as 80% of girls love sex toys. Girls like to hear herself nice and cutest. Always say these words to win any girl's heart. Women who feel less secure in their relationship are less likely to orgasm. Researchers found that a woman might be more likely to become pregnant if she has an orgasm. An orgasm increases a suction produced by wave-like contractions of the uterus that draw an ejaculated semen. The most common way to satisfy a woman in bed is to begin by kissing her. Most women love to be kissed on the neck, lips, boobs, and just about anywhere. Girls love to have sex in new spots. Don't restrict yourself to the bedroom, explore other locations in the house like the kitchen, study room or even bathroom. A woman uses silence as her language, but they show some signs that they are interested in you, and want to have sex with you. Now, if you see these 3 signs in a woman, then, if you want to have intercourse with her, she will not refuse. Number 1, if a woman starts playing with her hair in front of you, then she loves you and wants to have sex with you. So if you ask her for sex, she won't refuse. Number 2, if a woman wears tight dress and comes in front of you, showing her nipple strips, then she surely wants to have sex with you. Number 3, now after doing the first 2 things, if she touches your waist or hands without any need, then it's sure that she wants to have intercourse with you. That's all for today. Do like the video if you got to know something new, and do subscribe our channel for more interesting facts about girls.